What is up, YouTube? I'm back today with another unboxing of a great low budget option for your streaming device. Google Chromecast with GTV. This device right here, better than a Fire Stick 4K. Got better specs. Runs the same operating system as the Shield pretty much. So let's open it up. And once I'm done opening it up, I'll be back in a little while with a setup video. I've already set up one of these, but I'm going to show you guys one fresh out of the box, see what it looks like. So, as usual, I'm going to come out here with my trusty unboxing knife, and let's crack her open. All right. See what you get. Oh, me and my boxes. There we go. Opens that way from the bottom. All right, guys, very simple. You get your layout right there inside. Got your Chromecast remote right here and your Chromecast itself right there. You got a pull tab. We're going to pull her open, take her out. Here's your Chromecast. Now that that's out, here's your remote. What else you got in the box? Papers. Boring. Check that. You got a nice cord for your power. And if I could get it out, there we go. Got you a nice little power brick to go with your cord. And that looks like pretty much it, aside from some batteries. These batteries literally don't even have a brand on them. They're just white. I got a white one. This comes in all kinds of colors, but as you can see, it's white here. You can get it in all different colors. I will link to this device in the description below the video. Let's check it out. I will open up the device first. Nothing inside. You just got your dongle. Okay, there she is. With an HDMI cord, HDMI connector on the end. That's it. Simple little device. That's all there is to it. Remote. Let's get her open. Again, same simple wrapping. You got a nice little remote here. And if you look, you have your usual, here's your select button in the center. You got your left, right, up, down. Okay. This is going to be your assistant button. Here's back. That's looks like a mute button here. You got home. Okay. You got a YouTube and a Netflix button dedicated. Then you got a power and a source, looks like a source button next to it, and a microphone in the middle. Simple. That's it. Oh, on the sides, you got a volume rockers up and down. Okay. So that's it. Nice, small. You can see easily fits in the palm of my hand size-wise. Very small. And your battery cover is on the back. Slides open very easy. And it's going to hold these batteries that come in the box. Let's open the batteries. All right, got the batteries out of the wrapper. Pop them in, and your remote is ready to go. Boom, that's it. All set, ready to go. Yeah. So guys, why do I recommend this device? You'll see in the setup video. But just to explain it to you, it's got a very similar processor to the Fire Stick 4K, except it's got 200 extra megahertz to the processor, same amount of cores, but it's 200 megahertz faster, and it's got more RAM than the Fire Stick 4K. So this is why I recommend this device. It's $50 as the regular price. Sometimes it goes on sale, but it's $50. Like I said, link will be in the description below. Come back to the channel. At the end of this video, I will put a card to watching the setup video if you guys decide to get one of these. All right. That's really it. Right now, if you first watch this video on the day it's released, you won't see the card right away because I haven't done the setup video yet. I'm going to set this one up for the very first time so you guys can see exactly what to expect. I'm not going to use the one I already have. All right. So once that video is up, I'll come back, edit this video, put a card on the end of it. If you don't see the card at the end right now, that's simply because I have not, as of yet, recorded the other video. But I'm going to start recording that video now, and it should be up as well by the end of the day today. So that's it, guys. Quick unboxing for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay supreme. I'm out of here.